On a very good day. My name is ZAFRIE HAZIQ. My matrix number is 80160053. This video, I want to talk about my project. We need to present our project in presentation video and post it on YouTube. For this project, we need to write a C program to solve a problem that related to a mechanic of machines. The program must have at least 4 loops and 2 functions.
So, this is my program. Welcome to the ZAFRIE's program about vacuum system of mechanic of machines, and enjoy. So I do 6 choices for the program. And the first choice is velocity ratio. The second choice is power transmitted. The third choice is average power transmitted. The fourth choice is tension of the belt. The fifth choice is ratio of driving tension for V-belt, and 6 exit. So for the first function is velocity ratio. So if the user want to calculate velocity ratio, so the user can input 1, choice 1, and enter. So the user need to insert the speed of driver in RPM. So example, I put 12 RPM. Insert the speed of the follower in RPM. So I put 6. And we get velocity ratio 0.5. We continue with the choice number 2, which is power transmitted. So the user need to enter number 2 to calculate the power transmitted. Enter the tension, the value tension on the belt on the tight side. So I put 25. User need to enter tension on the slack side. So I put about 12. Next, user need to enter the diameter of the pulley. I put 6. Then next, user need to enter the speed of the belt in RPM. I put 120. Then we get the answer, which is first we get the answer for the velocity of belt is 37.699081. So the velocity of belt, we need this value to calculate power transmitted. So lastly, power transmitted we get 490.09. So the third function is average power transmitted. So basically, average power transmitted just help user to calculate any value, any summation of value, and we get the average from the value. So we try. The user enter number 3. Enter the number of elements. So I try enter 4 element, number of element. So the first element I put 250. The second element I put 350. The third element I put 400. And for the last element, which is the fourth element, I put 500. So here will come the average value for the 4 value that we enter just now. So the answer for the average power transmitted is 375. We'll go to the choice number 4, which is tension of the belt. So the user need to enter the number 4 to calculate the tension of the belt. In this function, I do if else loop. So the first one, so in this function, we need to choose 1 or 2. So if the user choose 1, the user can calculate the tension on the tight side of the belt T1. So if the user enter the number 2, the user can calculate the tension on the slack side of the belt. So we try enter to calculate the tension on the tight side of the belt first. So the user need to enter number 1, choose. So here user need to enter the value tension of the slack side of the belt. So this value we need it to calculate the tension on the tight side of the belt. So we try, I put 25 and then we get the value of T1, which is tension on the tight side of the belt, is 39.525002. So we try calculate tension on the slack side of the belt. So again we put number 4, then we choose number 2, tension on the slack side of the belt. Number 2. So in this calculation, we need to get the value of tension on the tight side of the belt to get the value of the tension on the slack side of the belt. So we enter 30, and then we get the value of T2, which is tension on the slack side of the belt, which is 18.975332. So next, for the choice number 5, which is the user can calculate the ratio of driving tension for V belt. So the user need to enter number 5. So there are two choice in this function, which is I write this function by using if else loop. So if we want to calculate the normal reaction between the belt and sides of the groove, we need to enter number 1. So we try first. So number 1, and then place the enter reaction in the plane of the groove R, which is we need this value to calculate the normal reaction between the belt and sides of the groove. So we try to enter 50, and then we get the value of R1, which is the normal reaction between the belts and sides of the groove. We get negative 7.620265, and then we try next we try to calculate the total reaction in the plane of the groove R, which is number 2. So we enter first we enter number 5, and we choose number 2. Then please enter the normal reaction between the belt and sides of the groove R1. So it's the same, we need this value R1 to calculate the total reaction in the plane of the groove. So I enter the value 50, and then we get the value of R, which is the total reaction in the plane of the groove, is negative 50.4811062. And then lastly for this program is number 6. If user want to exit from this program, user need to enter number 6, and then we try number 6. Then that's it, we exit from the program. Thank you.
That's all for the video. Lastly, special thanks to my lecturer, Dr. Zaini, for teaching me computer science, and I hope I get A for programming. Thank you.